everyone, welcome to my kungfu tutorial channels. This is Chang. I'm coming back with a new videos only for yours. This video will be how to spin the sticks only two ways. Okay, no more take a longer time. So let's get started now. At firstly, we have to hold the middle place to the sticks. This is the way to hold the sticks. This hand will be straight. Okay, now we have to spin the sticks in slowly. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. In this way you should the speed increase slowly. Okay, now we get a start. Second step. Okay, let's go. This is the way to hold the sticks. Your hand will be straight. Okay, now let's start. Slowly we have to spin it slowly. We have to spin it slowly to the sticks. In this way we have to spin in this way and slowly. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. You should speed increase slowly. Thanks for all my viewers. I will come back with a new videos only for yours. Okay, till then, bye bye. Cheers.